What's going on? I'm finally back in today's episode with a very highly requested video. My apologies, I've been gone for a week. I've been very sick and I've been dealing with some foot issues, but nonetheless, I'm back with consistent content. Have to keep you guys motivated and educated. So this is how most people do their curls, and there's nothing wrong with this variation, but I'm gonna show you guys the strict curl. It's a very highly requested video. So all you need to do is put your glutes, upper back, and the back of the head against the wall. And this is the best bicep strength tester of all time. So if you say that you have very strong biceps, this is definitely the lift for you. You're really gonna see how strong they really are. So glutes, upper back, back ahead. Start from a dead stop, and all you're gonna do is you're gonna bring the easy bar to your chin, and you're gonna pause. So as you can see, there's no swing, there's no cheating. This is how you build strict bicep strength. This actually used to be a competition lift. It actually used to be a power lift, I believe, but they took it out. Okay, so now I'm going to be talking about the feet. So contrary to popular belief, you actually don't have to put your feet right against the wall. They could be up to 12 inches away from the wall. So you still get a little bit of leeway, but not too long. Okay, some federations make you lock your knees and some don't. And yeah, that's just about that. Okay, so here's a front view. Okay, so there's different ways to do a strict curl. Some people bring it right to the clavicle. Some people bring it right to the chin. Both ways are fine. There's no right or wrong here. I personally like to bring it to my chin to get more range of motion, but that's just me. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. This is the strict curl exercise. What's your strict curl? And with that, I'll see you guys in the next episode.